This is an APL ship used to carry cargo all across the world. Our ships are large and may seem a little intimidating at first, but we have a plan for breaking down the ship into smaller pieces to keep things clear for this training. Let's review what material we're going to cover, and then we'll get started with your lessons. The first module is the introduction. You guessed it, it's the one we're doing right now. In Module 2, the ship overview, we discuss and review the various parts of our ship. We also take a detailed look at each deck and the functions they serve for the crew. The ship's layout and features become much clearer in this module, preparing you for your time aboard. In Module 3, Emergency Protocols, you'll find out how to enter and exit the ship safely in both day-to-day and emergency situations. You also learn how to recognize various alarm sounds and how to react to each situation. In Module 4, Shipboard Safety, you learn about personal and work-related safety procedures and responsibilities. How you manage yourself aboard the ship impacts your safety and the safety of the team. Now that you have a clear picture of the work ahead, let's start Module 2, the Ship Overview. Welcome to the APL Maritime AML Ship Familiarization Tour and Training Simulation. Here at AML, we provide customers around the world with container transportation services made possible with our fleet of container vessels. We operate responsibly and are committed to sound environmental stewardship in all our activities. Responsible environmental management is a cornerstone of our worldwide operations, and we strongly believe in a safe and secure workplace for all our crew members, aboard and ashore. The exterior of our ship is a great place to start learning where things are. First, we'll address the type of ship we are learning about. We are examining a container ship, which carries cargo in standardized containers which fit in cargo hold areas until delivery to a port. The ship is comprised of three main sections: the forward, the aft, and the midship sections. This is the forward section of the ship. The very front of the ship is called the bow. The bosun's locker, a locker where tools for maintaining the hull are kept, and other storage areas are located in the forward section. The forward section also houses the anchor chain and anchor handling equipment called the windlass, the forward mooring winches, equipment used during mooring operations with mooring lines to hold a boat in place at a pier or dock. This is the aft area of the ship. The stern is the rear or aftmost part of a ship, technically defined as the area built up over the stern post, extending upwards from the counter rail to the taffrail, the aftermost railing around the stern of a ship. Located in the after section are storage spaces, escape trunks, after mooring winches, and escape hatches, a sliding or hinged opening in the deck providing access to the cabin or space below from engine rooms. The midship section, commonly referred to as the house, is the portion of a ship between the bow and the stern. The house is where the crew living quarters are located. The bridge, the control center of the ship, mess deck, crew recreation areas, medical equipment, and firefighting gear are located here. We will cover these areas in more depth in Section 2.2.